Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Pretty simple day today. Yesterday we looked at kind of the government of the Roman Republic, kind of getting some key terms down that'll help make other stories later down the line make more sense. Alright, so we went and covered the basic. Now one of the first main topics we're going to look at with Rome is kind of their first major conflict. They're called the Punic Wars. And you read a little bit about it yesterday. Today now we're going to look at the other side of the coin. So the Roman Republic, so early on their main rival is this empire called Carthage. And Carthage has one of the greatest military leaders of all time, hands down. All right, so that's what you're going to kind of look at today is we're going to look tomorrow, we're going to look at the Rome side of the Punic Wars, focusing on them. But for today, I thought it'd be interesting to kind of look at the other side of the coin and look at Carthage, look at the other side. Because Carthage, as you know, if I were to say Carthage today, you probably don't know what I'm talking about because Rome literally wiped them off the map. And you'll see that today. So the assignment's pretty simple today, just an Ed puzzle. If you haven't seen an Ed puzzle before, you just click the link like I did. And what it does is brings you to this video here, and there's 13 multiple choice questions, as you can see here. You're not allowed to kind of skip ahead. I believe you can rewatch. So if you get to a question you don't know the answer, I believe you can rewatch that section, so you'll be able to get a better understanding and be able to answer the question correctly. But that's it, guys. We're just going to look at this Ed puzzle today on Carthage. Obviously, keep an eye out for this guy named Hannibal. You probably maybe read about him yesterday. I don't think you guys did, though. But he's obviously the key figure for today. So keep an eye out for him. There'll probably be a test question on him, obviously. And there'll be a couple questions on Carthage itself, just because they're kind of an outlier, right? Like, you know, if you ask a historian about Carthage, you know, one of the first things they're going to talk about is their war elephants. So they're a little bit different, a little exciting though. So that's it, guys. Just kind of go through, click play. You'll be able to answer the video. After you're done watching and answer the questions, it spits all your answers out to me, so you don't got to do anything else with it. Just watch the video, answer the question. Once you've answered all the questions, you are done for today. And then, like I said, tomorrow it's going to be a video lecture. I'll kind of talk about some of our key terms that we read about yesterday. I'll talk about the Punic Wars and Hannibal, and I'll kind of have some other video clips for us that we're going to watch tomorrow as well. Just shorter ones, not as long as this one, obviously. But that's it, guys. Hopefully the assignment yesterday went good. I haven't graded him yet. I'm going to grade him right now once I'm done recording this video. Make sure to always check in. Remember I said, guys, check in within 10 minutes of our hour starting. So make sure you're doing that so you're not getting marked unexcused. And again, if you have any questions, guys, my email's up all day. Shoot me an email, and I'll try to get back to you within like 5 minutes. It's kind of my internal clock. But that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.